Hey, I'm Papurr, and for the past 5 years, I've been mastering the art of credit and travel hacking. And in that time, I've helped over 4,400 people repair and rebuild their credit, as well as teach them how to maximize rewards to travel first class and stay in 5-star hotels for free. Now imagine getting $1,000 in free travel, cashback, perks, just from spending money you were already going to spend. No weird side hustles, no coupon clipping, just using the right credit cards in the right way. Over the last 3 months, I've earned over $1,000 in rewards, and this video will show you exactly how I did it. I'll break down the 3 credit cards I used and why they were the best for maximizing rewards, how I hit the spending requirements without spending extra money, and how you can do this too and get the most value out of your cards. This is basically free money if you know how to play the credit card game right. So let's get straight into the video. So to maximize my rewards, I didn't just use one credit card. I used 3 different cards, each designed to earn the most rewards for different types of purchases. Chase Sapphire Preferred. I got the Chase Sapphire Preferred, which earned me $750 in travel rewards. I earned a welcome bonus of 60,000 Chase Ultimate Rewards points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months, which is worth $750 in travel when booked through the Chase travel portal. Now you also get bonus points. So I got 5x points on travel booked through the Chase Ultimate Rewards, 3x points on dining, streaming services, and online grocery purchases, 2x points on all other travel purchases. This card is great because it comes with primary rental car insurance, so no need to buy the expensive ones when renting a car. Also trip cancellation and travel insurance with no foreign transaction fees, which makes it great for international travel. It is one of the best travel cards out there with a huge welcome bonus and a solid earning rate. The second card that I used was the Wells Fargo's Active Cash, which total earned $200 in cash back. You get a flat 2% cash back earned on everything, no spending categories to track. You also get a $200 welcome bonus after spending $1,000 in the first 3 months. Also, the card comes with a 0% APR for the first 15 months on purchases and balance transfers, useful for larger purchases. So why did I use it? It's simple, it's no fuss, cashback that works on every single purchase. Now the third and final card is the American Express Gold Card. This earned me $200 in travel and dining perks because it comes with a welcome bonus of 60,000 American Express points after you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months, which is worth around $600 in travel, but I'm counting $200 in my total because I haven't used all my points yet. It also comes with bonus categories of 4x points on dining, including takeout and delivery, 4x point at US supermarkets, up to $25,000 per year in purchases. You also get 3x points on flights booked directly with airlines. The card also comes with $240 in statement credits. $120 goes towards Uber Cash, which is your Uber Eats or Uber Drives. You also get $120 in dining credit with Grubhub, Shake Shack, Cheesecake Factory, and plenty more. Now I got this card because it's great for dining and groceries, plus valuable travel perks. Now earning these rewards wasn't about spending more, it was about using my card smartly, and here's how I hit the minimum spend requirement without wasting any money. I used my card to pay bills and everyday expenses, so I used third-party services to pay my rent with my credit cards. I also used my card for my day-to-day groceries and dining, so I got 4x points with the American Express Gold with groceries, and 3x points with the Chase Sapphire, and 4x points with the American Express Gold on restaurants and takeout. And then I also used the card for gas and transport, but I used the cashback feature with Wells Fargo, which gave me 2%. And then I also have my subscription services and Uber, which I normally usually use my American Express Gold to get the maximum benefit out of it. And that's exactly how I was able to hit $4,000 in 3 months to hit my sign-up bonus. Now, I know one of the questions I'm going to get asked under this video is, how can I do this too? So if you want to replicate this strategy, here's your step-by-step guide. pick the right credit card. If you want cashback, go for the Wells Fargo Active Cash. If you want travel perks, go for the Chase Sapphire Preferred or the American Express Gold. Make sure you can hit the minimum spend. Don't overspend just for rewards. Use your card for rent, bills, groceries, and subscriptions. Pay for group purchases and get reimbursed. You can also buy gift cards if you're really close to hitting your target, but you're just off by a few $100s. Now, the next thing I would say is use referral bonuses. Many of these banks offer $50 to $100 per referral, which is easy extra cash if your friends want to sign up for these credit cards. Always pay your credit cards off in full, because when you carry a balance and interest comes into play, all these rewards, everything I've talked about in this video, is a waste of time. And finally, use your points wisely. Travel redemption is the best way to use points, and for cashback, it's just great for simple savings. And if you follow what I've told you, you can make $1,000 or more in rewards, just like I did. Now, this is the easiest way to make $1,000 while spending exactly as you already do. So if you want to start, check the best credit cards that I've made on my last previous video and drop a comment with the best deal that you've ever gotten from a rewards credit card. Hit the like and subscribe for more finance tips so you can start earning money. Now, if you've made it this far, I'm gonna give you a little bonus, because generating money with credit is just the beginning, and that's exactly why I've put together a completely free credit masterclass with over 2 hours of content showing you everything that you need to know to maximize your credit journey. So check this video where I show you what you'll learn, how to get access, and how to use the information inside to turn credit into free travel and a source of income.